Looking at number 12, we have an equilateral triangle with side lengths of 10. Okay, so this is 10 and this is 10, and it mentions having an altitude. All right, so what you need to remember with an altitude for an equilateral triangle is also a perpendicular bisector and an angle bisector. So remember, these angles are 60 degrees for an equilateral triangle, so this angle becomes 30 degrees because this altitude is an angle bisector. So we have know a couple things. First of all, an equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degrees. All right, and then with this altitude, that becomes an angle bisector, so we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And then the altitude is also a perpendicular bisector, so this 10 unit length side is cut in half, so this is 5. Okay, so to find BD, we could do a couple things. We could use the Pythagorean theorem, or we can use our special right triangle theorem. Okay, the square root of 30, or excuse me, the shorter leg is or the longer leg is the square root of 3 times the shorter leg. So 5 times the square root of 3 gives me the longer leg. So this is 5 square roots of 3 here. Okay. So we could use the special right triangle theorem, or we could use the Pythagorean theorem to get D.